The Cursed Typewriter. Maggie found the old typewriter at a garage sale, its keys worn and frame rusted. She thought it would be a quirky addition to her writing desk. What she didn't expect was its peculiar feature: when she typed a sentence and left it incomplete, the typewriter finished it on its own. Curiosity turned to horror when the sentences it completed started coming true. "The phone will ring, and the voice will bring bad news," it typed, and moments later, the phone rang with news of her friend's accident. Desperate to understand the typewriter's power, Maggie decided to test it one last time. She typed, "Maggie will," and left the sentence unfinished. The typewriter hesitated, its keys clacking erratically, before finishing, vanished without a trace. Before she could react, the room grew cold. Her vision blurred, and the typewriter began to glow faintly. Maggie screamed, but it was too late. When her landlord checked the apartment the next day, all he found was the typewriter, sitting silently on the desk, waiting for its next owner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this chilling tale, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more spine-tingling stories. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a scare. See you in the next story.